Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of all devices on Valorant. If you're signed into multiple devices from your Valorant account ID, then here's how you can easily sign out of it. First thing to do is to open your Valorant application on your device and make sure to log into your account by using your Riot client ID and password. After you are signed into the accounts from the main homepage, click on the human icon located at the top right hand corner. Now click on Account Security from the list, which will then take you to a new tab. Right inside this account management page, scroll all the way down and you will be able to see the log out of everywhere option right next to login management. If you're worried that your account or password has been compromised, you can forcibly log out of all Riot apps, sites and games. Click on log out of everywhere and click on confirm in the text box. Soon after you are done, you will be logged out of everywhere wherever you have been logged in with your Valorant account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.